In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Seedance 2.0 to generate 15 seconds long video using this new platform. So log into this website, copy this website. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can follow along. So get the link and let's go. So the moment you are here, you want to see you have free credit given to you. So you're going to see login and start for free. So you can either click the login or you start for free. Before we continue, watch the result we generate using this platform. So once you finally signed into the platform, this is going to pop up. Make sure you close it. Now, once you close, you're going to see questionnaire. So you can skip it or you can literally attend to it. So once you're able to skip that or you attend to it, it's your choice. You're going to see 250 credits delivered to you. Now, register credits limited time. So you need to use this before it's being taken away. And let's look at the models on this platform. So you click here, you're going to see that some of the top models are literally locked. Like you can see here, right? But I'm going to show you the best way you can use these top models such as Seedance 2.0. So quickly, let me illustrate for you to see. Just don't skip the video. All right, so let's go. If you use here, you can't generate anything. Look at the left panel of your screen. You want to see video editor. Scroll down there and click on it. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this interface. Now, this is where it's becoming more tricky. All right, so now we are here. Now, this is a simple trick. Now, we look over here, the left panel still, you're going to see AI chat. So click on it and open. Now, watch what I'm going to do here. Now, copy your prompt. Now, if you want to use image to video, this is a simple trick behind this. You are going to go ahead and upload your image. Okay, for example, we are creating. Now, once you click and upload your image, now this is what you're going to do. You're going to type this short phrase. Go ahead and paste your image to video prompt. Do you understand? Now, watch what I did here. I uploaded my image. That is, if you are using image to video, okay, to generate, I uploaded my image here, right? And I added some few lines, okay, that indicates that, okay. So once you are done with that, you go ahead and hit send message. Now, once you send the message, it will start thinking. Wait for it. Now, this is a simple trick. You see the image that I uploaded is here. If you are using it on the initial interface, you'll be required to pay, okay? But on this platform, it's literally free. Now look at it. What a stunning reference image. I love the drama. Now, the moment that is done, this chat, like the platform will start analyzing the entire process. Now, at this point, you are not to do anything, but just to sit tight and watch your result in a few seconds. So guys, watch this. And wow, our video is here, and it literally didn't just give us one shot, it gave us two shots. Goodness, this is insane, guys. So we are literally going to see how this works. So I'm going to preview this. Beautiful. So after generating these two shots, right, it's generating 8 seconds by 8 seconds. Now look at this. First one is 8 seconds. The second one is 8 seconds. Now let's preview this so I can see very well. This is the first one, 8 seconds. And then this is shot 2. You can see here shot 2. Magical time fracture final. So it's breaking it into 15 seconds. You can see this is giving us 15 seconds long video. So guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section and jump on this now while it is still free before the server becomes loaded. I have to quickly put it out here for you. Okay, so like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one. So log into this website, copy this website. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can follow. So like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one. So if you've watched it this time, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and on the post notification, and see you in the next one.